This is the GSB19-2 RE impact drill from Bosch. A very powerful 850 watt motor allows it to drill up to 18 mils in concrete, 20 mils in brickwork, 13 in steel and a massive 40 in wood. It's a heavy duty, professional drill and part of Bosch's Blue range. It has a tough construction with a cast aluminium gear housing and a single sleeve auto lock steel chuck, making changing bits really easy. It's also very comfortable to work with at only 2.6 kgs, with a rubberized grip and a pressure sensitive trigger that has a preset wheel that can also be adjusted while the lock-on button is activated. Now the maximum speed in high gear is 3000 RPM, and in hammer mode it pushes out a maximum of 51,000 blows per minute. Some other features include the forward and reverse switch that is accessible from both sides, a thick, comfortable and adjustable auxiliary handle, depth stop, a 4-meter cable and a carry case. Overall, a very nice and very powerful drill. Now this is just one of the impact drills available at Builders. For more, visit the Builders website or check out the YouTube channel.